Okay, center console part 2. Alright, so in this portion, after you take these 2 screws out, there's these sliders that go down in. Well, they actually hold this center console piece from pulling back and out. So you gotta remove those as well. Just pry up underneath them with the flathead screwdriver. That's off. Down in there you can see I had to remove this, I don't know what it is, this little connector here. Just push down on that. And I removed that wire, or that connector there from right there. I do have this wire, but you shouldn't have that. This is like some sort of aftermarket thing. Cigarette lighter, but that was really it. I think now I am able to pull it out. So yeah, after you get done removing all those, basically that 10 millimeter there and the other 10 over there, the 2 Phillips head, one on either side by those 10 millimeter nuts, these 2, and then the caps, that Phillips there and there. You unplug the back cigarette lighter stuff, that plug there, that pink plug, whatever that is, I don't know, it might be some sort of antenna, I don't know, there, and I think this thing will actually come out of here, so it's no longer attached to the dash. I guess it's required in order to pull the dash out, you need to have that removed because this piece is so large it has to slide backwards. So yeah, hopefully that's it for the center console.